In our first film, we said, everything is code. Today, we show what that means when code carries not only infrastructure, but an entire software-as-a-service organization. Because when applications, identities, organizations, data policies, security rules, and resources are all declared as code, something fundamental changes. Your SaaS is no longer tied to a location. Location becomes a policy, not a prison. VNCiac brings the VNClagoon product suite to users as public SaaS, private SaaS, or a hybrid combination of both. Public VNCiac gives providers and enterprises fast onboarding, shared operational efficiency, and elastic scale. Private VNCiac provides dedicated environments for organizations that require maximum sovereignty, isolation, and control. Underneath both models sits VNCiac, Infrastructure as Cognitive Code. VNCiac declares the complete platform, applications, infrastructure, resilience, and observability, data contracts, AI workflows, security policies, and service objectives. One repository, one declared intent, one continuous reconciliation loop. This is where VNCiac becomes fundamentally different. You are not moving only containers, virtual machines, or application servers. You can move the complete operating context of an organization, its applications, users, departments, and sub-organizations, permissions, security policies, data placement rules, and infrastructure profile. A department can move to a different data domain. A subsidiary can move to dedicated infrastructure. An entire customer organization can move from public SaaS to private SaaS, or from one region or provider to another. The platform follows the declared state. The data follows policy. The identity and access model remains intact. VNCdirectory defines who the organization is. It manages organizations, domains, departments, users, and groups. Roles, permissions, authentication, and application access. VNCiac defines where and how that organization runs. Together, they make it possible to manage one company or an entire multi-customer SaaS environment with the same clarity. For a service provider, this means controlled onboarding and tenant management at scale. For an enterprise, it means reorganizations, mergers, divestitures, and regional changes become governed platform operations. Business demand is never static. Before a global town hall or a major video event, additional media capacity can be declared and attached to the platform. Dedicated video nodes can join the fabric. Workloads are placed where they perform best. Service levels are observed continuously. Need more AI capacity? Add inference or GPU resources, declare the required model services, and let the platform scale accordingly. When demand changes, the declaration changes. Capacity follows the business, not the other way around. With VNCiac, AI can help redesign the user experience above, while VNCiac optimizes the execution environment below. An AI-assisted workflow can propose a new interface, role-based dashboard, onboarding journey, or accessibility improvement. At the same time, it can recommend the resources, policies, service objectives, and platform adjustments required to operate that experience efficiently. Both changes become code. They are reviewed, tested, validated, deployed progressively, observed, and rolled back if necessary. Security does not begin at the login screen. With VNClagoon, it can begin at the processor and hardware layer with trusted execution environments. Hardware-backed confidentiality, attestation, and runtime integrity. Above that foundation, zero-trust policies protect the network, workloads, identities, data, applications, and AI workflows. Sensitive information can remain protected even while it is being processed. Every platform change is versioned and auditable. For the CEO, VNCiac means strategic independence and the freedom to grow, reorganize, and expand without platform lock-in. For the CIO, it means one operating model across public, private, and hybrid SaaS. For the CISO, it means verifiable control from the hardware layer to the user experience. VNCSaaS on VNCiac is not just SaaS in another cloud. It is SaaS as sovereign portable intent. Everything is code. Everything can move. Everything remains under your control.